The Best Laminator allows you to protect your documents, photos, menus, recipe cards, ID cards, children's artwork and other precious items by sealing them permanently between two sheets of plastic, known as a laminating pouch. This preserves their life immeasurably, protecting them against water, grease, finger marks, and other forms of damage. If there's an accident, you simply wipe the plastic clean. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Laminator. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Scotch Brand Pro Thermal Laminator. If you are searching for a laminator, the Scotch Brand Pro Thermal Laminator review on our list is ideal for you. 5-minute warm-up time. Light signals when machine is ready. Assembled product dimensions 4.00 by 15.80 by 4.00 inches. Never jam technology automatically prevents misfed items. 2-roller machine. Laminates at speed of 15 in min use with 3 to 5 mm thick thermal pouches, up to 9 inches wide. Number 4. Scotch TL901X Thermal Laminator. The next product we have got on our list is the Scotch TL901X Thermal Laminator. Laminates items up to 9 inches wide. 2 heated rollers create high-quality professional, bubble and wrinkle-free results. Safe to use on photos to help preserve precious memories. Will laminate pouches up to 5 mm thick. 2 temperature settings. Starter pack contains 1 thermal laminator and 2 letter-size starter pouches. Number 3. Bonson 13-inch laminator machines. If you're looking for a laminator with Bonson 13-inch laminator machines, the lamination machine kit includes 1 thermal laminator, 50 laminating pouches, 1 corner rounder, and 1 paper trimmer. The paper cutter can make a neat cut and you can cut what you need. Bonson Thermal Laminator has a heat treatment function. This card laminator only takes 3 minutes to preheat. The laminating speed reaches up to 330 mm min. The laminator machine with laminating sheets is a double roller design that ensures smoother lamination. Number 2. Fellows 5736606 Laminator. More than 8,200 5-star reviews praise the Fellows 5736606 Laminator for its portability. Advanced thermal laminator with 1-minute warm-up with InstaHeat technology. 12.5 entry width accommodates multiple document sizes. Hot lamination for 3 mm or 5 mm and cold setting for self-adhesive pouches. Auto shut-off save energy and prevents overheating. Jam release lever disengages pouch for recentering or removal. Number 1. Amazon Basics 9-inch Thermal Laminator. The Amazon Basics 9-inch Thermal Laminator are the best laminator you can buy this year. Laminates documents up to 9 inches wide, compatible with letter, legal, business card, and photo size papers. Works with any 3 mm or 5 mm laminating pouch. Note, mil refers to thickness of lamination film. Quick 4-minute warm-up with ready indicator light, jam release lever for easy clearing. This easy-to-use thermal laminator warms up in just 4 minutes and laminates at a speed of 270 mm per minute.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.